Hey there, I'm Krista with WTI. I have been looking for a simple way to really make a big statement in my open floor plan, and I think I finally found it. It's the POUTIX LED strip lighting, and it has created a beautiful focal point in my home. What we've especially loved about these lights is how they stay hidden in the daytime, blending right into our decor, but at night they completely turn up the mood. The lighting is a really soft, warm white color that's perfect for setting the tone of the room, whether it's a cozy movie night in or having friends over. It just is perfect. And the best part is that we didn't even need an electrician to accomplish these results. The installation of the strip lighting was simple. We just planned our placement, took measurements, and then it was peel and stick. The lighting did come with a remote control, but it's also compatible with smart devices like Alexa or Google Assist. I chose to add the Tuya Smart Life app to my mobile phone because I always have my phone with me, so I can remotely turn it on, turn it off, or control its brightness from anywhere in our home. We love having the ability to customize the lighting in our home with this POUTIX LED strip light. It is a super affordable way to give yourself an upgrade that looks and feels very luxurious without breaking the bank. And that's my point of view.